Okay, welcome to a Pocket Beats video. So in this video I want to explain how you can use swing to make the groove feel a little more bouncy, a little more human. So here's a little pattern that I recorded with this shaker right here, and it goes across on 1E and, 2E and, 3E and, 4E and. So these here are silent, so we should get a type of sound. Let's listen to it with no swing. Okay. Alright, so now when we apply some swing, what's going to happen is this E is going to, instead of being exactly halfway between here and here, imagine it was pushed a little closer to the 3 here, and this the 6 is pushed a little closer to the 7. So each of these notes are getting shoved across just a little bit. So we're going to play it again, and I'll start bringing in the swing, which I can do with this little metronome button here, and then knob A. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. You can start to hear what I was talking about before. Especially if I go all the way up here, you can hear that that gap became almost non-existent, right? Come all the way back down, totally straight. Nah, about here, a little much. About here is really nice for me. Maybe about there feels pretty natural. Okay, so this is part of a bigger composition, so let's listen to the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is like my favorite effect on this thing. Okay, so I'm actually taking the swing out now. We're bringing the swing down, and we're at swing 0. Okay, so it was feeling a little bit flat, a little bit plain, not much bounce in it. Now we're bringing the swing back in, and watch me take it too far. Oh no. Yeah, it gets into a bit of a mess. Down to a nice level, and that little bit of bounce is back in the groove. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. Comments, questions, absolutely welcome, and I'll see you guys soon.